Hi everyone, welcome back to Tropical Vibes Island. I am your host for Lisa. So here lately I've been sharing quite a few outdoor space must-haves. So why not continue on in this video? So this video is sponsored by Yita Home and Olafus. So I'm going to start with the rolling cooler cart that was gifted to me by Yita Home. I was so excited to get this rolling cooler cart. So what I did first was unbox the cooler cart. I arranged all my pieces so that I can know where they were. I started on putting the cooler together, but my husband ended up finishing it once he made it home from work. So once I get the cooler installed, I'm just going to go ahead and add some ice, a few beverages, and a few snacks. Today is Father's Day. My kids and my grandkids will be coming over. They love watermelon, so I'm going to slice up some watermelon and place it in the cooler. The cooler was very easy to put together. There is a little rack for beverages. There's a rack for your towels. You can actually add your ice. There's a drain hole in the back, and there's some storage underneath. So here I'm just going to go ahead and add our ice and our beverages to the cooler, and then I'm going to move on to the next item. So here's that watermelon that I sliced up and put in sandwich bags. So let's talk about the Olafus wireless speakers. They come in a set of 2. You can get them in black and you can get them in a multicolor. The reason why I love these is because they have a warm white light and you can Bluetooth them to your phone, your TV, and just have fun with them. Okay, hello love. So enough with the voiceover, right? So this is me live today. Today's Father's Day. My family is coming over to help celebrate Father's Day with my husband. My father went on home to glory about 16 or 17 years ago, rest his soul. And if anyone else lost their father, I know this was a hard time, but we can remember the good times that we shared with our fathers for this weekend or for yesterday or the day before, whenever you're watching this video. So let me share with you. You've already heard about the outdoor speaker and my outdoor bar cart / cooler. So let's talk about this sectional. So this sectional was gifted to me from a company over on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should be following me on Instagram because I share pretty much daily over on Instagram. This is a 7-piece sectional. I love it because it's versatile. You can do so much with it. I'm going to show you the different ways that I styled this sectional here. You can see I used it as a sectional. Then I actually had just the furniture on one side, and then I actually separated it, and then I had the furniture connecting on both sides. I love this sectional. Super classic, super fun. And then the colors. Let's talk about the colors. I love using pops of color. My previous color that I used was the green, and this orange is so pretty. I am loving it. Nothing is new. I didn't purchase anything. All this came from my shed and my containers that I have here at my home. I just pulled out everything and made use with what I had. So I do have another surprise coming for you guys soon. So be sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my content. I hope that you all enjoyed this video on the outdoor speaker, the outdoor bar cart, and my new sectional that I currently have here on my patio, but I may move it out to my yard to another section that we're working on right now. Before I go, I'm going to leave the link below to the orange pillow covers because those are from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below to the drapes. I'm going to leave the link below to the actual rug. I'm going to leave the link below to my outdoor fan here, which was gifted to me from a company, Newair. Everyone asks me where did I get my water feature from. It came from Sam's Warehouse. I haven't seen this size lately, but I have seen the smaller size. Let's see here. Let me step back. My table setting is still the same. Nothing's different from the previous video. I actually just changed over the orange napkins, and that is pretty much it. Nothing's new here. Yes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.